Hi, Bob. I wanted to send you a quick video along with the link to download the package. The reason being is what I wanted to do here is let you know what I did with your pictures on the index page at least. So I took the height of the pictures so that they would fit perfectly height-wise and length-wise, and I actually determined the ratio was around well, 0.39125 percent. So in other words, it's 39% of the width. The height is 39% of the width. Okay. So what I did is I did a little bit of calculation to make sure that when we resize the page for tablets and mobile phones and things like that, you see the picture will scale so that the faces don't get cut off, because there's probably nothing worse than you have somebody's half a face over here and half a face over here and it just looks terrible. So I've just changed the overall scaling so that the entire thing will fit. This is the base image I use because of the faces, right? So then the next image comes in, fits out widely and nicely here. Next image comes in. This worked out well here. And then as we sort of scale the size down here, right, watch what happens. The picture and everything stays in alignment with the rest of the page, and it's still nice and legible. Okay, but the reason I'm sending a video is because the overall height on larger monitors, like I'm doing a 1920 by 1080, in other words, a full high-def HD resolution, the height of the slider is going to be taller because just because the browser gets wider, right? So it's one of those things that I think is probably best, because if we didn't, then we'd still have, when I didn't do that, I was actually getting chins cut off at the bottom here, and that just looked terrible. So this way everybody's face shines through and we all look nice and tidy. I also hid the text. For each image there was a title and a caption. I hid that. You can turn it back on. Easy to do. It's just a matter of uncommenting some CSS. So I've left that in place. I've just hidden it. I've just turned it off so it doesn't display. I shouldn't say hide it. It actually doesn't set to not display until we set it to display. Now with that said, also the logo we have up there, and I've created a logo so that on mobile devices it will center. I think that looks best. And then on larger devices it will be left aligned like so. And also some things that will change is depending on the menus right here.